Hi folks, a bit more progress on the P-type. Thought some people might find it interesting. I've managed to get the rear wheels freed off. Just plenty of soaking and generally just a bar in the in between the trolley and the wheel spokes. Big piece of channel, nice and gentle. They freed off eventually. Front axle, started trying to free them off. Unfortunately, because of the broken casting down here, the axle come adrift. So we're going to have to go back to the drawing board with that. I'll probably weld the axle to my trailer and then get some leverage on the wheels. But they've been soaking for a couple of weeks now, so with any luck they'll free off, and I've got to see about getting the copy casting done for this. Just as you can see, he's lifted the pot off. So little end looks okay, to be fair. There's a few little marks you can see just in there, but these old engines are very robust. I found an article in Vaporizing magazine from 1983, and this engine was bought by a chap called Mike Stokes, and he basically started to restore the engine, and I think he lost interest in the hobby and sold it. But apparently this engine worked on a farm in West Wales most of its working life, and then it moved on to it was a mill somewhere near Hereford, I think, and it spent the rest of its working life, and that entered preservation from him to the ownership of Mike Stokes, and then it went to the place that I purchased it from earlier on a few weeks ago. I think all the rings are stuck, but this is the first time I've seen it, so you're seeing it exactly as I have. Couple of marks on the gudgeon pin. I don't think it's gonna. Feels a good tight fit in the piston. Aye. We'll have a look up the. Let's have a look what the cylinder's like. I'm seeing this the same time as you now, so fingers crossed it's going to be okay. I don't know if you can see in there. There's no rust I can see, which is a bit of a shock. I'm just absolutely amazed by this engine, by the condition of everything. I thought it was going to be a rot of rusty sea solid. Very slight lip, top of the bore, it's absolutely nothing but the feel of it. Little bit of rust right at the very top. A little bit rough there, I think there's a bit of rust there. Still machining marks on the cylinder. Absolutely amazing. Valves move. I'm going to try and get these pins out. They're sea solid, so I'm going to get a bit of heat on them, because I don't want to damage anything getting them out. I can't push the sleeves back at the valves to get the pins out at the moment. So that's going to need a bit of care to get them out, but I think the springs might go again. I might try and get some new ones made. This looks like I don't think this engine's ever run. That looks like a new gasket. So we're looking good at the moment. Just a little update anyway for you. Slightly longer video this time. Got a couple of comments saying they'd like to see more content. So we'll get the rod out next. See what the big end is, and then the dreaded job of trying to get the flywheels off. From the looks of this, the key is all the way out, so I think that's just going to need a little bit of a tap to get that out, and then we'll, once the conrod's out, lock a bit of timber against the crank, and with any luck it'll just be a bit of a bounce against the timber, and then free off the usual door, clean the end of the crankshaft up. Here's a little tip: if you're ever doing a lister, your big ends are marked both sides, and they're also marked here. You haven't got cutouts on the big ends on these, like a modern vehicle, so you just need to pay attention when you're taking them apart to make sure all these marks line up, and you get the conrod in the right way then, and even the bolts are marked, so your conrod's in right and you know you've got your big end right. But that's about it for now, folks. I'll update you soon. Next couple of weeks I'm going to try and get it down to my workshop. I've just got an art typing out at the moment. I've just built a trolley for, so I'll get some paint on that, and then that can come back here and this can go into the workshop in the dry, and we can really get stuck in good and proper with it then. I'm hoping to have this running by the end of the year if I can. So I'll keep you all updated anyway, and all the best to all you in YouTube land, and good luck with your projects. Be another update soon. Cheers.